The CSGO market has crashed as a whole, and it's looking like skins are not picking up in price as fast as before. So is this the perfect opportunity to invest for CS2 or just a trap? This video is brought to you by SkinsMonkey, an automated CSGO trading site where you can get up to $5 for free by trading at least $10 worth of skins. SkinsMonkey provides an instant way to get new skins. You can trade your skins for other ones of equivalent value or trade an expensive skin for multiple cheaper ones. Any excess value from the trade is saved into your balance, and they also have a 35% deposit bonus on the money that you put into the site. That's 30% plus an extra 5% if you use the code Willcock. Click the link in the description of the video to check out SkinsMonkey and use code Willcock and get an extra 5% on your deposit bonus. Thank you very much. Now let's get straight into the video. Alright, so obviously the market has crashed. You can see it in the prices of anything in the market. Any play skins, cases, sticker capsules, everything has gone down. So first of all, let me tell you why this is. Why is this happening? So many people may have been caught up in the hype and not realized in these past few weeks that the market has been heavily inflated by the CS2 hype itself. Way more people than usual were active in the market and buying stuff because they didn't want to miss out on the opportunity of investing for CS2. So like everybody jumped on the bandwagon, and as a result the market was pumped and inflated, and essentially what was created was something that we call a bubble, and we call it that because sooner or later it's bound to burst. And when the bubble bursts, that means that all of the assets, which are the skins that you have put your money into, start falling in price because people are starting to sell their stuff as they're not seeing enough movement in the market. Or specifically in this case, they're not seeing the skins rise in price, so they don't see themselves making profits, so they exit from the market, and it's just a big snowball effect of people exiting from these investments and tanking the prices. And it's basically like the market is now possibly balanced and the prices seem to have been corrected, because right now we're at a state of drought when it comes to CS2 stuff. Not too much has been said by Valve about CS2. We don't have any news. We were expecting a new open beta to come out, but it didn't. We were also expecting some patches in CSGO which haven't come out on the scheduled release date as expected from Valve, but I'm sure they're planning something smart over here. They're probably gonna play their cards right. And let's move over to whether right now is a good opportunity for you to invest in stuff and await profit to come when CS2 comes out. So I'm gonna say that I believe right now is actually a good opportunity to invest, and it's not a trap. I think the prices have been corrected and they're probably gonna rise when CS2 comes out, because we're gonna get some crazy stuff that will get people excited once again and hopefully bring many new players to the game, which will bring new money to the market and boost the prices of our items. Now, everything that I'm saying from this point on is speculation, because we don't have any facts and numbers or stats to support this theory, except for the fact that the prices of items such as the clutch case, as you can see right here, have gone down to pretty close to the price that they used to be before some major hype. The price not being exactly the same as in the old days is to be expected, because these cases are becoming rarer and rarer as time goes on, as the supply goes down as they're opened, and also the player base of the game has grown, as we know. So it is completely illogical to expect the price to fall to the 2022 price of 30 cents. That is completely off the table. So I believe that this is a good moment for you to invest in skins, cases, capsules, anything that you believe in, because I can see that Valve are being very strategical when it comes to what they let players leak from data mining, and also what information they release themselves regarding CS2. And also they're being very strategic with the updates that they add to CSGO. And if you think about it, ultimately Valve's goal is to create even more hype for CS2 once it's out, in order to grow the game's player base as much as possible. So their goal is our goal, and this company is outrageously rich and they've been around the game for quite a while. So what I'm getting at is that I think the drought that we're seeing right now in the CSGO community and the lack of content that's being brought to us is completely planned, and everything is going according to plan, which leads me to believe that CS2 will get much more hype than the reveal itself and the limited beta test did. Because keep in mind, we're gonna get the new operation, some new cases, many changes to the game that haven't been announced yet, because they've been doing the limited access test, so they've been taking notes of stuff that they want to change, and they might also bring some new stuff that we haven't seen in the limited access beta test yet. The changes to the maps that we know, will also be something to get excited about. And as we know, they're also working on CSGO Mobile or CS2 Mobile. I think it's called Counter-Strike Mobile actually. But they might plan to finish this and release it soon as well, so they can expand the game's player base to countries where they prefer to play mobile games, because some countries are not rich like that, so they can't afford gaming PCs. Basically the same thing that PUBG did with PUBG Mobile and made the game insanely popular in some countries. So yeah man, that's all I had to say. Let me know your thoughts on these speculations and what you think about the arguments that I brought to the table. And if you want to be updated about everything CSGO related that can make you money this game, I do daily uploads and bring you everything that you need every single day. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.